Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to appear offline in Roblox. Well, this is a quick tutorial, it's really easy. On the top right you will see the settings gear icon. Click on it, go to the settings. Now here you have to go to the privacy. Now here you can see this very important part here. Now communication. So if you want you can just turn it off because it's important if you just want to be offline. Right, now here who can message you? You can just select no one. Who can text you with me if you're using a mobile application, select no one. Who can text you, chat with me, no one. Right, and make sure you turn it off. If you have your audio, turn it on as well as with the camera, and in this way you can just completely be offline. Right, who can make me a member of the private server? You can just select no one, or depending upon your choice. Right, update friends about my activity, no, because this obviously I will give them a notification that you're online. Right, who can see my inventory? Of course, no one. Right, so once you select each of these and once it's saved, automatically you will be completely offline in Roblox. I hope you found this video very useful. Subscribe.